This is Explained Today, Series 1 for Beginners, Course 3. Today we will cover AI Microsoft Bing Chat. Microsoft created an AI experience that they integrated with their Bing search engine, and it's called Bing Chat. And that is their answer or their integration of ChatGPT. They invested in it, so they have their own version. And we will discuss in the next 30 minutes the differences between ChatGPT and Bing Chat. This episode is presented to you by the American Association of Small Business Leaders, where AI innovation equals education, automation, and communication. Also, the developers at rapiddevs.com have helped us with creating special software, and for blockchain integration we work together with Zillion Research Labs. So this is the third course in our beginners series, and in the first and the second course we talked about ChatGPT, how it looks, what it does. We explained about prompting, the importance of prompting, optimizing prompts, and then of course everything we do is in context of what can it do for my business. And we focus on small, medium businesses, but any business leader of course is welcome. That was a quick recap. What are we going to see in this episode? First of all, what is Microsoft Bing Chat? So most of us are familiar with the Bing search engine, and what Microsoft did as their AI strategy, they have many initiatives, but this is one big one, is integrating the technology that ChatGPT-4 is using. Yeah, I think it's ChatGPT-4, and they integrate it in their Bing search engine, and they call it Bing Chat. It is free, and it is, as I just mentioned, the big difference is the integration with their search engine. And that is also one of the reasons why to use Microsoft Bing Chat, is because it is almost like a smart search engine, where ChatGPT is more like a large language model that is pre-trained on a fixed data set. So far, they're opening it up. Microsoft Bing Chat is connected to real-time internet searches. So what we are comparing are the free versions. I have to say that ChatGPT-4 is evolving very quickly, so some of the things that I'm saying are already available, but I believe it is still behind a paywall. So what you have available for free for Bing Chat, for instance, is available in the paid version of ChatGPT. And the main one is that you can use images as input. So far we have used text as input. And Bing also returns graphical images or links to images in the search, where you can continue your search. So it is basically a smart interactive search agent. That's a good way to say it. So what we are comparing is the free version of ChatGPT with the free version of Bing Chat. So one of the other reasons is, of course, you choose your platform, and in the next course we will talk about Google Bard. So if your platform is Google, look for the next one. Of course, if your platform is Microsoft, then here we talk about the advantages of choosing Microsoft Bing as your AI integration, because it can integrate with Azure, and we will also do that in one of the following more advanced courses, where we can demonstrate on use of API, which means a application programming interface, where we don't have to use the browser as our interface to the AI model. What are some good use cases if you are using or looking for images or examples for something like you want to redesign your office, or you want to look at a Bluetooth speaker, or you want to do a product comparison? All of these are available in Bing Chat with images, and we will showcase that in our live section in just a few minutes. And as usual, we are focusing on the use cases that are relevant to your business. So any of the use cases, if it pertains to your business, you can copy and paste those prompts and you can update them for your specific use. That is the quick overview. So let's look into a little bit more depth. What are we going to implement in our business? What we are going to demonstrate are a couple of key elements that we're looking for successful brand strategy, and we are going to integrate that with visual examples. We are going to ask some examples of effective employee onboarding programs. We all mostly deal with that. So onboarding an employee requires instructing them on how to use what your company is, how to use tools, and how to deal with customers most likely. We are also going to look for business budgeting and looking for templates. And sometimes we can look for Excel templates, we can look for Word templates. We will see if we get something back that is relevant. And in this case, we are tasked with generating a supply order form, and we're going to ask this AI model to do that for us, to show us an example. And as usual, we continue with writing compelling product descriptions and images of great presentation designs. Product presentation is absolutely crucial, and the more tools you have available, the more you can pick and choose what really resonates with your brand. We also going to ask them to write a product description for a solar-powered Bluetooth speaker that is eco-friendly with great sound quality. And again, we look for images or flyers to tell us more about that product. And then we are also using this for market research. We are looking for the top 5 marketing trends for 2023, which is live data. So we expect more updated results than with ChatGPT 3.5, which is a static model that was cut off in September 2021. So these are the use cases that we will demonstrate, and we will also demonstrate a quick sketch of 2 web pages that we want to have coded by simply uploading a hand-drawn design and ask for the HTML code in return. And it works. It is pretty cool. And again, we are asking for some great visual examples for creative restaurant menus. So that is what is in store for the next session. We are now switching live. and this is part of the American Association of Small Business Leaders at AASBL.com or explaintoday.com, which is pretty much the same. We have memberships available where you can subscribe and get the courses available for beginners, advanced, and more specific use cases, document creation, how to create reports, and we dive into more details. This is to stay updated and keep learning because it's an ongoing process. AI is here to stay and it is moving very fast. This is also part of the preparation of our GPT-Workdesk software that we have developed, where you can have many more integrated features that give you a much better work environment. You can implement all of this in your business directly, and we are focused on bringing businesses together so you can link with other businesses and hear other stories about people who succeeded in integrating AI in their business. I am available for consulting, for coaching, Conrad at explaintoday.com. And we will conclude, these people are here to help. The American Association of Small Business Leaders, rapiddevs.com, and Zillion Research Labs for the blockchain products. That is it for today. As always, I hope that you learned something more than 30 minutes ago, and this is what motivates me to keep going. Thank you for your time and being here, and the next course is coming up soon. See you then.